Now, I will give you helpful tips. Number 1 is prepare pen and notebook. While studying, I will write down vowels and consonants, and I want you to write down vowels and consonants on your notebook. So, not only you can study like speaking, listening, and reading, but also writing as well. If you write, you can memorize faster. And also after the lesson, you can review all of it. And number 2 is sharpen your ears and watch my mouth. Some vowels, maybe sounds are really similar. So I want you to sharpen your ears and try to find the difference so that you can have a better pronunciation. And then my mouth, like ah and the different shape. So I want you to watch my mouth and try to copy. And number 3 is practice over and over again. I will provide you audio files and ebook, and please try to read all the words in the book and check the audio files whether your pronunciation is correct or not. And they keep practicing that until you got used to it. Yes, then you will have a good pronunciation. And that's all 3 are my tips. And thank you for watching, and let's start.